Hey everyone, Chef Ben here for Giant Eagle, and today we're going to be exploring the great outdoors, and what better way to do so than with a picnic. Now at Giant Eagle, we're famous for our fried chicken, but we also have a variety of prepared salads in our deli and prepared foods departments, as well as ribs and other great essentials for your everyday picnic. But what about the vegetables? Well, today we're going to be making a grilled vegetable fattoush salad. It's a twist on a Mediterranean salad that incorporates fresh vegetables, pita bread, feta cheese, and a lemon herb dressing. Let's get started. We're going to start with zucchini, yellow peppers, and red peppers, and we're going to drizzle them with olive oil. We're going to place these face side down onto a very hot grill to get those nice grill marks. The zucchini should be cut into quarters, and the peppers should be cut into half, making sure the seeds and the stem are removed. Grill the vegetables for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until you get those nice grill marks. Next, we're going to grab pita bread. I like to cut it in half, makes it easier to grill. And we're going to throw it on the grill for about 2 to 3 minutes to get it nice and crispy. Also, it's going to add those nice char marks to it. Once your vegetables are cooked, remove them from the grill, place onto a sheet tray, and allow to cool for 10 to 15 minutes at room temperature. Then place in refrigeration and cool to below 41 degrees Fahrenheit. It's best to let them cool for about 4 hours before proceeding to the next step. Once vegetables are chilled, use a chef's knife and cut your vegetables into half-inch pieces. We're ready to prepare our salad. We're going to start by taking the grilled zucchini and bell peppers and placing it into a bowl. To this, we're going to add about a cup of grape tomatoes, 1½ cucumbers, diced, about ½ cup of kalamata olives. You can use black olives if you like. About ½ cup of green onion. And then we're going to actually make our dressing right in the bowl. So we're going to start with salt, pepper, and cumin. To that, we're going to add fresh mint, about 2 tablespoons, and about 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you can use parsley as well. Next, we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And we're going to finish it off with really good olive oil, about ½ cup. Now we're going to mix our salad together. The salad's great because it can be made ahead of time, stored in a refrigerator for about 4 days, so great to travel with. Mix until all the ingredients are really well incorporated and the dressing covers all of the pieces. Plate your salad onto a serving platter and garnish with feta cheese. It's about a cup of feta, you can do more or less. Drizzle with a little extra olive oil. And then remember those pita chips we grilled? We're going to put those on the side. This actually can be incorporated into the salad, but if you're traveling for a picnic, you necessarily don't want to have it in, it gets really soggy. So we're going to keep this on the side and garnish it right on the sides of our salad. The pita bread's going to suck up all those great juices from the olive oil and the lemon juice. Give us a nice little crunch factor in our salad. Kind of like a crouton. And here we have our grilled vegetable fattoush. It's bright, it's flavorful, it travels well, it's great for summer picnics and entertaining.